In this question, we're trying to solve simultaneous equations. To begin with, we look at both equations and see if we have the same letter with the same number in front of it. So we have plus y, which means plus 1y, and we have minus y, which means minus 1y. So effectively, we do have the number 1 in front of the y's. This means we do not have to multiply both equations to begin with. So we will be able to add or subtract. So the general rule is the same signs subtract, SSS, or else add. So we have a plus 1 and a negative 1. They're not the same signs. So we are going to add the equations. So we begin with the x's. We have 2x added to 8x, so that gives us 10x. Next, we look at the y's. We have plus y, which is plus 1y, and we have minus y, which is minus 1y. So if we look at the numbers, we have plus 1, we're adding, and then we have negative 1. If we have a plus and a minus next to each other, that means minus. So we've got plus 1, take away 1, which is 0. So the y's vanish. We then reach the equal sign, so we write that down. And then we have the numbers on the right hand side, 5 add 5, and that gives us 10. So 10x is equal to 10, so clearly x will equal 1. Now that we have the value of one of the letters, we substitute this value into one of the two equations. So we substitute x equals 1 in, and we're going to choose the first equation. So if we write the first equation out, we have 2x plus y equals 5. We know that x is equal to 1, so we substitute that into 2x. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, so we write that down. Plus y equals 5, so clearly y must be 3. So the answer, x equals 1 and y is equal to 3. But if we have time, we can check this answer, and to do so we look at the equation that we hadn't used for the substitution. So we use the first, so we can check it in the second equation. And we take the left hand side, 8x take away y, and then we put our numbers in. X is 1, so 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Subtract y, which is 3. That gives us 5, and that matches up to the answer in the second equation. So we are likely to be correct.